And then we can click everybody's favorite button, which is Quick Report. So let's just click onto there. And then, voila. So this is a Noise at Work summary report with the before and after calibration, your offset, time, date, the name that you gave it. So instead of it being measurement 52, it now says demo example, the basic values, the projected that we spoke about, the LAEQ, the LC peak, those first octave bands, and there you go. There's a lovely report for you. And if I just jump back to summary, so it's back to the main tab, and summary will always be the first screen that you land on in NoiseTools. If I was looking at this for environmental purposes, I would click on Quick Report, and there's my environmental summary report with those basic values again, those statistical levels, LN values, percentages, LAQ, LAF max graph, and a rather lovely little third octave graph there at the bottom. Now, come back to the reports tab a little bit later. So here's our time history. Back to the time history. Pardon me, we've been on summary, and now I want to look at the time history. So this is the time history screen. This is the graph for the data that you've monitored, graphical representation of the decibel changes during the course of your measurement. If I click on this legend pop out here, all of the parameters that my instrument's capable of monitoring are logged here. And all we ever need you to do with our instruments is press start. We like to keep it straightforward. We don't even have save buttons on our instruments. As soon as you press stop, it's automatically stored to the instrument. If you don't want it, you can delete it, but we don't want people forgetting to store data after they've taken a measurement and then call us up and say, what can I do? Because the only answer to that is go and take the measurement again. So you don't have to press save, just press stop, and it's all automatically stored. And any of the parameters that you're interested in, you can just simply click on and they will appear. So we have our LAEQ ticked, I'll tick the LCEQ, and then I'll tick the LA peak for no good reason. I can't think of the last time I used the LA peak. And there you are. I now have all this data here. And if I wish, I can produce a time history report. Now we do have a reports tab, but we rather like our shortcuts in NoiseTools because we know you've got other things to do. So how can we shave off a few seconds here and there? They will start to add up. So right at the top here, above the summary tab, there's a little button that says actions even. If you click on there, press Quick Report, you now have a time history report. And this is pulled through all of the parameters that I've told it I'm interested in. The LAEQ, the LC peak, the LAEQ, the LCEQ, pardon me, and the LA peak. And that's from our time history screen.